So for our project, we chose the Charleston earthquake of 1886. And the earthquake in Charleston, South Carolina occurred in 1886 at 9:51 p.m. August 31st due to a rupture within the Earth's crust. However, scientists were unsure as to what caused the earthquake. They believed that it was due to a tilt or uplift within the Holloway Marine Terrace. They couldn't measure the seismic waves because the nation's only earthquake gauge was removed from the National Monument in Washington for cleaning. And this newspaper article is explaining how there was new technological developments that came after this earthquake in South Carolina. So the first sentence says the 1886 earthquake in Charleston probably has helped make South Carolina's nuclear reactions more earthquake proof more than the nearby states. So that's interesting. And then at least 60 people were reported dead after the earthquake, and there was roughly $6 million of damage done to the city of Charleston and the surrounding cities that were affected, and they were within 1,000 kilometers away. It was felt as far as Boston, Ohio, and Alabama, and you can kind of see that here on this graph, like kind of the areas that were affected by this earthquake. And it reached its strain point, leading to a magnitude of nearly 7 and possibly greater. It was the largest earthquake to hit the southeastern US at the time. There is around 1,300 kilometers squared of catering from the epicenter. And you can see a picture of that here. Sand craters were ejected, and there were acres of sand spread and small craters up to 6.4 meters across. Okay, so the earthquake bolts were added to reinforce buildings. So this is like another technological development that they did after to better prepare for these earthquakes. So the bolts pass through existing walls and they tie the walls on opposite sides together for stability. And the impact of the Charleston earthquake raised public awareness of the potential earthquakes in the region. And that was previously considered unlikely due to the location on the East Coast because they are more rare than ones on the Pacific coast. And these are our references, and that's it.